This is a new video for my channel. Basically, in this opportunity, I will show you how the application is working right now. I believe you already know about me, but if not, I am Oscar and I am a software engineer. Basically, right now I am running an application for any taller. I mean, it is a place where you can repair your vehicle. So basically, I will show you from the beginning. I will sign out right now. This application works in more than one language. I mean, it works in Spanish and English, but this presentation for this opportunity will be completely in English. So maybe you already were contacted by me. So sorry, I believe you already know I am not a professional speaker. I mean, this is my second language, but I am trying my best. So based on that, I will show you basically what is the performance. Right now, we have security, for the application is using OTP. So it basically sends you a token, I mean, a number to the email you have registered in your application. Here we have another tool that, I mean, I don't know if you know, but the OTP can be violated just using the time. If it take a long time to validate, it will be more near to the correct value. So I already covered that. Every petition it took the same time. So basically, it is extremely protected. This is some nerd feature, but security is important. So we already have this cover on this application. Also, it is not comfortable if you have to log in every time that you refresh your web browser. So I put additionally this feature that can make your device like a trust device for 24 hours, as you can see right here, and it is amazing. I mean, I already have a tire, so basically I am creating this based on my experience, knowing what exactly works in a real business. So yeah, basically you will have an amazing tool just by accessing this one. And so the first thing is a dashboard. Basically in this dashboard you have all the vehicles you have already in your tire or whatever your business is. Basically I am developing this for tire, but there are other business related to vehicles that can include and manage the same flow, the same workflow. I mean, just a customer with a vehicle, you can attend that customer. You will have information about what you are doing to that vehicle. Yeah, that history will allow you to improve your business. Okay, but let's go to the point. Basically, right here we have all the cars that are being attended at this moment in your business. You have all the details right here. For example, you have um, how long it is taking to you. It is marking in red those that are taking more than expected. It initialized with green. This is a real data from my business, so I am trusting in you. Okay, this is not a real. I mean, this information is okay to share it. And anyway, some of these cars are mine. So yeah, I believe this is completely sure secure to share with you. I trust in you, so please do not share this video with your friends. I am joking, of course. Please share this video with your friends. Okay, right here, this is very important because when you are asking for parts, you are doing calls, you need to have this information easy. For example, the model, the year for your car, because the parts change between one model and another one. So this is very important, and it is already included right here. Also, if you need to connect your customer with a simple click, you have WhatsApp web page open with the full message with the name of the customer and the plate of his vehicle. This is very important. It will be easy for you to contact your customer when you are in the operation. What else? Of course, the reason why the the vehicle is right there. It is very important. Right here, you can generate your service order. This is, of course, the principal feature of this application. Let me show you what you will see in the order. You will see what is the item, I mean, what it needs, and also what is the cost for this one. I don't know if you already know, but I am talking from Colombia. So those are pesos, Colombian pesos. But of course, if you are in USA, you will manage just one um currency, so it will be focused. I mean, this is multilingual right now. The application, it is not multi-currency. I mean, you are not able to make changes in the currency. I believe that is not helpful. If you are in America, you can use this application, and all your values will be in dollars. So for this part, it is okay. Right here, you can also send this to your customer when the customer has a number. Let me see if I have another one. Okay, this one. Okay, what is happening right here? You can send a quote, and it will show you like same thing, uh, default message. If I will let me take a real note, because this is, for example, to talk with the customer and say, okay, we will include this part in the reparation. I mean, something is going wrong, or we did not an additional part, and we will spend more money, so we will need your approval or something like that. That is the mean of this feature. But of course, maybe it will be need more details. So let me just take note of this, because I mean, when you will contract my service, you will receive this. More details in the communication. They will, um, it will save you time, and of course, it will be better. So yeah, you can delete and edit all this part or add a new item. I mean, this is the price, the for here in Colombia, we manage these tags. Of course, this is completely configurable, so there's no problem. You can also print this one. It will generate a PDF that you can share with your customer. That is also amazing, and of course, approve the order. Um, this is like deliver the vehicle if it is already done. I mean, because that is another case. Maybe all is done, so you just deliver the vehicle, and that's all. Okay, that is what you see in the service order. Um, Also, okay, this is the more usual when you are starting to create a new um, customer. For example, I already have this registered in my application, so it will get the name of the customer, the phone number, and it will save you a lot of time when you are doing your operation, because if the customer is already yours, you already have all the information, and it is very uh, cool if you have all these things. So you just put the details of what are doing with that. Okay, put previous image top intake. This will help us, just to get some measuring how many kilometers or miles the customer is running. I just put that in my notes. I mean, I was doing this presentation just to show you what the application does, but it is also helping me to get a lot of improvements to this one. The history is, to validate what has happened with your business. This show you recent customers and the money that you are receiving for everyone. But yeah, I believe this is the most important part of every business, the money. So right here we have a report. that it is showing you the real money that it is in your business. For example, for this case, in the last month we made 17 millions. I mean, we are talking in Colombian pesos. This is around okay, this is around 50K, five five 5,000, yeah, 5,000. Okay, five and a half thousand dollars. Yeah, that's the right here we have some expenses. Um, right here I saw some things that need to change to English. I mean, when I make the change of the language, it is not changing this. I just put the note to resolve this. Also, okay. Let me show you one another thing. This is very important because we have operational performance. This show you in the stage that you manage in your business how long it is taking. This is a total. I mean, for all your business in the last month. Also, you can make a customizable. For example, let me see from January to right now. It will show you all the stages that are registered in your database. How many time are you spending of that? For example, for this case in repairing, of course, is the most important part right here. Is of course, but for example, in reception, it is not usual how your vehicle is taking so long in the reception. This is because they were not using the application properly at the beginning. I made some changes, so this is happening. But yeah, some kinds of this, for example, if it is taking too much quoting or awaiting for approval, you can make some changes in your business that, of course, will be uh, will represent more income to your business, and this is very important. Okay, of course, you can see it by vehicle, so you can see in each vehicle how many time it is taking. And yeah, today, yesterday, this week, this month. I believe you already know how it works, but please let me know if you have any question. I will resolve it in the YouTube comments. This is a CRM. Right now, I don't have anything relevant right here, but the idea is to create campaigns that can, give us more customers. If we have a customer already attended, right here we can see what can we do with them. For example, if there is a historical chain of oil, you can remember the customer that the next chain is near. So you can just send a notification and it will visit you again. So that will mean more incomes for the business. So it is very, very important for you. The team is the people that it is managing this application. Of course, you require an email because as I show you at the beginning, it sends you an OTP code to your email. So it is important to have the email registered right here, and all these people will receive the same OTP. That will allow you that multiple users are using the application, are seeing the same thing at the same time, and they can get into the application at the same time. This is very, very important. Also, right here we have the technical people. I mean, the guys that are working on your business. It will uh, it will be important for the next part that I will show you immediately. And these are the technical commissions because, of course, when you are working with people, the people will ask you money. I mean, you have to pay for their services. So basically, right here we have all historical and the view of how the amount of money that you are paying to your technicals. That is very important. And right here you have that. And if you are paying for a commission, you just set the percentage, and it will calculate. I mean, it will help you a lot if you have a daily payment or a weekly payment or a monthly payment. It will help you to understand and know what is the amount of money that you have to deliver to each one. So it is an amazing future for an application. And this is one of the the root parts of our work when we have to, talk about money. And yeah, this will help you a lot with it. Also, the expenses. Um, Let me take, because I just found another word that is not translated, uh, but it will be in just few hours. So right here you can record your expenses. I mean, for example, um, I mean, to rent the place when you are working, it is important to register, I mean, public services, everything that you spend in your money, all the money that you spend in your business can be registered right here, and it will also help you a lot. So yeah, basically this is the application. I believe it will be useful for you. If you have any question, please just let me know. But yeah, this is okay. This is important. This is all has been created by Olatio. This is a company created here in Colombia. Yeah, just want to let you know. I am a software developer with more than 13 years of experience. Oh, okay. Here we have AI. This is important. Let me show you real quick. We have an AI that will show you information. For example, okay, this is in Spanish right now. I will make the change to put it in English too. But you can ask. Okay, let me try to do a question in English, in Spanglish, the dashboard. So I believe we had seven. Yeah, seven. It is answering in Spanish. I will change that. But yeah, also we have an assistant, an AI assistant, and it will help us a lot. So this is all. Thank you for your time, and see you later.